Dear student of Standard 7, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah and stay at your home safely. Today I will discuss chapter 6, lesson 3 and 4, and this is my third lecture on this chapter. So lesson 3 topics is Election Commission, Constituency and Code of Conduct for Election Commission. At first I will discuss what is Election Commission. So the institution that organizes and arranges the elections is called the Election Commission, and there is one such commission in Bangladesh too. It has one chief election commissioner and several commissioners appointed by the president. They serve the commission for 5 years from their date of joining. The main responsibility of the commission is to conduct the elections of national and local levels. The Election Commission has to do many other related things to the effect of fair conduct of each election. Now, the duties and responsibilities of Election Commission. The first duties of the Election Commission is making and updating the voter list, conducting all elections and by-elections. So already you know that there are different type of elections are held in our country. So all types of elections including by-elections also are conducted by the Election Commission. Allocating the election symbols. That means during the election different candidate belongs to different symbols, okay, or different candidates have different symbols. So these symbols are also distributed by the Election Commission. Demarcating the constituencies, that is fixing the constituencies. Setting up polling center, that is setting up the voting centers. Preparing the code of conduct. Here code of conduct means rules of regulations relating elections. So during the election there are some rules and regulations which are needed to conduct the fair and neutral election. So these code of conducts are also preparing by the Election Commission. Printing the ballot paper. So 8 number, making ballot boxes. Smooth imposition of code of conduct, taking votes and declaring the results and dissolving the election feuds. So this is ballot paper, okay. So different candidates, they have different symbols. There are different symbols here there and different candidates also here there. So these symbols are distributed by the Election Commission. And making ballot boxes, so this responsibility also to make the ballot boxes for the election conduct, so that is also done by the Election Commission. And this is EVM, that means electronic voting machine. Now constituencies, in Bengali it is called Nirbachoni Elaka, that means in where or in which place the elections are held. The whole country is divided into specific areas for the sake of electing representatives. So each of these areas is called a constituency. Borders of such constituency vary from election to election according to the nature of the election. As for example, the country is divided into 300 constituencies for the election of Jatiyo Sangsad. Similarly, constituency for election for city corporation, Upojela, Poroshobha and Union Parishad elections are the specified respective local borders. The Election Commission specifies the area. A voter of an area cannot cast his or her vote in another area, and conduct of the election and declaration of the results are also done according to the election area. Now, code of conduct. One of the important tasks of the Election Commission is to prepare code of conduct for election, and it is done with a view to smooth conduct for election. For normal and peaceful environment is a prerequisite for free and fair election. So with this aim in view, Election Commission prepares a list of principles of how the people of the constituency would behave, and this is called the code of conduct. Now I will discuss one by one the code of conduct here. That is, number 1, no procession or rally is permitted when submitting the nomination paper. Procession means meeting or missile. Writing on the wall or sticking posters on the wall is not allowed. Meetings cannot be held on the streets and roads. Posters can be hung on cords and placards can be used. No gates and lighting for publicity are permitted. Motorcycles or any other vehicle is not permitted to rally. Voters cannot be gifted with anything and served with tea or drinks in the camps. So, dear students, you have to memorize the code of conduct and duties and responsibilities of the Election Commission also. Now lesson 4, vote and casting vote and rules of contest in election. So at first, qualification of a voter. So any person has to have the following qualities in order to become a voter. So a voter in any election in Bangladesh, he or she must be a citizen of Bangladesh. This is the first criteria. Second, he or she must be 18 years of age or above. Third, he or she must be an inhabitant of the election area or constituency. And fourth, he or she must be not insane and was not declared bankrupt by any court. Okay, so here insane means not mentally capable. Okay, and was not declared by bankrupt, that is in Bengali it is called deulia. Okay, and disqualification in any of the above standards means he or she will disqualify as a voter. Now, process of casting vote. There are two systems of voting, open vote and secret ballot process. So in open voting, a representative is elected through raising or vocal support, and this gives instant results. So this is the open vote system. In secret ballot, one has to cast his or her vote, making their favored candidate on the ballot paper and dropping it in the box. The result is declared later when counting is complete. And many countries, including ours, following this system. So, this is the secret ballot process, and this is the open vote. Okay, or voting open vote. This is. Now, rules of constituting election. Number 1, any person can contest an election as a member of any party registered with the Election Commission or as an independent candidate. Second, the candidate must be a citizen of Bangladesh. Third, the willing sorry, the willing candidate must be of a particular minimum age. He or she must be at least 25 years if he or she is to contest for membership in Jatiyo Sangsad or chairmanship or membership for Upazila Parishad. 4. One cannot participate in an election if he or she is certified and incensed or bankrupt by the state in Bangladesh. 5. He or she cannot contest an election while in government service. So dear students, these rules of contesting election you will not memorize, just you will read for your MCQ and for a number question. Now I will solve your exercise, that is at first multiple choice question. Number 1, how many reserved seats for women are there in the Jatiyo Sangsad of Bangladesh? Already you know that is 40. No, that is answer will be 50. So 2, election is important because option number 1, it is not possible to include all in order to conduct administration of the country. Option 2, election is an opportunity to elect one with support. Option 3, it is a democratic process. So answer will be 1, 2 and 3. Now here is a passage. Mr. Shahana Akhtar is an elected representative of a local government body. She discusses with 9 elected members under her in regards of constructing road, bridges and culverts in her area. At this phase, other members from reserved seat also participate in the discussion. At first, question number 3, what is the name of the local government headed by Mr. Shahana? So though here is 9 elected members, that means over there you can easily tell that is the Union Parishad. Okay. Now 4 number, the government relies upon the above stated local body for proper implementation of development program. Now creative question. Many students expressed their interest to become class the captain at the proposal of Mr. Amjad, the class teacher of 7. The class teacher put a box in the classroom and instructed everybody to cast their favorite candidate. After counting the votes, when it was declared that Farida got the first position, followed by Sabir and Nehal in second and third position, all students cheered them up with claps. And then the contestants greet is other. So here number A question, what is the basis of modern democracy? You know that election is the basis of the modern democracy. Question number B, what system is followed in electing the president of Bangladesh? So already we know that is the indirect election system is followed in electing the president of Bangladesh. So here you will explain the indirect election system of Bangladesh. C number, explain the election system followed by Mr. Amjad for his class. So in this time you have seen that is direct election system. The students, they directly cast their vote and they elect the representative. So here direct election system is followed by the Mr. Amjad. So how will you write? That is, at first you will write there are two systems of election system, direct, number 1 direct election system and indirect election system. Then you will go to in this time, that is in this time we have seen that the students of standard C, they cast vote secretly and choose respective representative. So here is direct election system is followed. Okay, and so and after that you will explain the direct election system. D number here is greeting the winner class captain by the teacher contestant will strengthen the base of democracy. So dear student, you will not do this question. Okay, so D number question. So instead of D number question, I will give you another question, that is, do you think that code of conduct for elections are necessary to establish a democratic country? So do you think? Yes. So at first you will write yes. We think the code of conduct for elections are necessary to establish a democratic country. So why the code of conduct are necessary? So here you will write at first the code of conduct. Then if code of conducts are implemented over here, so if the election will be fair, free and fair, so obviously we will get the honest person, honest representative, and an honest representative can form a democratic country also, isn't it? So like this we will arrange your this question. So dear students, today up to this, stay at your home safely, take care of you, goodbye.